What is iridology? Iridology is the study of the color and the structure of the patterns of the iris, or colored portion of the eye as they relate genetically through reflex response to the strengths and deficiencies of the body systems. Iridology is one of the best assessment tools available to discover which areas of the body are genetically strong and which may have the potential for genetic deficiency. A good iridologist will use a magnifying lens or camera to analyze the signs in the eyes, and they will also observe the signs of the body. In my practice, I use a high-powered digital camera and view the iris photographs on my computer monitor. There I point out to the client where the genetic strengths and areas of concern are located. I also use the magnifying lens to analyze eyes as well because it helps me to see additional detail in a live eye. As iridologists, I believe we should always ask permission before observing the eyes, since there is so much personal information stored there. The eyes provide the iridologist with the questions to ask about each individual's health. Every practitioner in all types of health professions can benefit from the information the eyes have to offer. From what each practitioner learns from the eyes, therapies based on their own skill may be used. For example, if an acupuncturist notices a deficiency in the liver area, they may focus more on the areas of the body that help improve the energy flow of that organ. If a nutritionist notices a sign in the area of the skin in the iris, they may suggest specific foods that nourish the skin. Chiropractors will benefit tremendously from iridology and better know where to adjust their patients because they will be able to see areas of spinal subluxations and imbalance. Even parents can help their children by learning iridology. In iridology, unless you're a medical doctor, we never diagnose disease. We analyze or assess the areas of the body that are genetically strong and those areas of potential deficiency. We may offer suggestions of certain foods or exercises that will help to strengthen those areas. We may offer health-promoting articles with specific information to educate the client on parts of the body that may need support. The iris analysis should educate the client about how to live a healthier life based on the genetic tendencies they have inherited. Now let's look at the origins and history of iridology. Where did this wonderful science originate?